Namaste children. This is Radha Anand, your teacher. I hope you're all doing good. Today we are going to play a game. You want to know what is that? It's called I Spy the Beginning Letter. Shall we spy? Come along with me. What is this? This is an axe. This is an axe. Spy the beginning letter. It is A. It is A. You're right. Next, what is this? This is cat. This is cat. Now find out the beginning letter and beginning sound. K. Yeah, it's K. Cat. And the letter is C. What is the sound of the C? K. Yeah. Now, what is this? This is an elbow. This is an elbow. What is the sound? A. What is the sound? A. Now, what is this? Frog. What is the sound of the frog? First letter of the frog. F. F. Yeah, we have spied the beginning letter and its sound F. What is this? This is a goat. What is the beginning sound of it? G. 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 Beginning letter is G and its sound G. Now, we are going to do an exercise. You are going to tell me where all this will come. Now, what is this? K. K. It will come as a beginning sound for cat. Am I right? Yeah. Now, what is this? This is G. G. Where it will come? Yeah. Goat. G. Goat. Now, let's see. What is this? F. F. Yeah. F. Where it will come? Frog, isn't it? F. F. Doing good, children. Now, what is this? A. What is this? A. Where it will come? Yeah, here, children. This is axe. A. Axe. A. Then what is this? Last one. This is A. Where it will come? It's elbow. Now we'll go quickly. A as in axe, K as in cat, A as in elbow, F as in frog, G as in goat. And all these are the beginning sounds. Children, now we are going to see ending sounds. Can we see it? Take a look at this. What is this? It's bib. Bib. B. What comes at the end? B. B. What is this? This is a pot. P-O-T. Pot. What comes at the end? T. Sound T of the letter T. What is this? Hen. N. N. N comes at the end. Now what is this? This is a car. What is this? This is a car. R. What comes at the end? R sound. What is this? This is fox. X comes in the end. Now what is this? This is pan. N. N. Did you take a look at these two? Yeah. They have a similar letter at the end and the sound is N. Now we are going to do the exercise. You are going to tell me where it will suit over here. X. X. Where it will suit? Yeah, fox. Ending sound of the fox. X. Then, what is this? R. Where it will come? Does it goes here? No, car. Car. R. R. Car. Now, what is this sound? T. T. Pot. T. So it comes with pot. The ending sound of the pot, t, t. What is this? It's b, b, bib, b, b. You're right, children. You're good in the ending sounds. Now what is this? N, n. Hen and pan. For both the pictures is the ending sound. Can you quickly go for the recap? Bib, 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 b. Car, r, r. Pot, t, t. Fox, s, s. Hen, pan. For both the pictures, n is the ending sound. See you in the next video.